Hi everyone, Ashish Kyal this side, very warm welcome. This is a very quick announcement that I wanted to make for all of you. Sunday, which is the 7th of August at around 11 a.m. I'm going to be coming live talking about the markets, talking about how to trade the market using candlestick. Along with that, we will club with Elliott wave and combine some aspect of time cycles. If you are actually attended the last session that I talked about, you might be amazed that how brilliantly it went, how the markets looked like, and the way the markets behave. जो हमने बात की थी, we discussed on Nifty, we discussed on Bank Nifty, we discussed on stocks like Bajaj Finance, Reliance, and we also derived the 5-step forward and 3-step backward. Given the huge response that we got last time, I thought why not to conduct again an exclusive webinar, which is for you all who simply love that session. So tomorrow, which is 7th of August, a Sunday at 11 a.m., I'm going to come live again talking about this webinar, talking about how to trade options. So options ko kaise trade karna hai, whether you want to buy options or you want to sell options, along with Elliott wave. I'm going to do that. And you know which stocks I'm going to also cover tomorrow by looking at some aspects of volume profile and other things. I'm going to talk about Bharti Airtel. I'm also going to talk about Tata Motors. So if you want to be a part of this, you simply go and register yourself now. You can register yourself at wavestrategy.com/webinar. The link, I'll just share it across with you. Also, you can do that and you will be simply amazed to see how brilliantly these techniques work. So let me just put it across over here on the poll, and you will be able to see on the chat here, so that you will be able to see the amazing way of looking at the markets. And that is possible because you are going to see that it works extremely well. So it works extremely well. I'm telling you. So when is this exclusive webinar happening? And this is purely for people who have been simply talking about how, you have been loving about this market timing techniques. You have told me so many times that I should keep conducting this kind of webinars and also indulge into Elliott wave part. So I'm going to do that. That's what I'm here for. I'm just sharing across the link. How do you have to register for that webinar? Here is the link, and you can be a part of this group of traders, which we call as #time traders. So take that step forward. देखो, एक तो पहले संडे है, छुट्टी का दिन है, ज्यादा कुछ प्लानिंग अगर आपकी है नहीं, मॉर्निंग में 11 AM को है, 11 AM to 1 PM, 2 घंटे आपको खाली देने हैं, which is going to change the very way you see the markets. Thousands of participants have attended last time and they simply got thrilled seeing the market. They started applying the techniques that we talked about and they were like, wow. So we are going to look at candlesticks. We will look at Elliott wave, क्या होता है. We'll club it along with time. So बैंक निफ्टी को टाइम करेंगे, कौन से डेट पे, कौन से टाइम पे चेंज हो सकता है. We will do all of those things. Plus, we will look at certain stocks, as I said, like Tata Motors, Bharti Airtel, and we will club the techniques together. These 2 hours are for your own self. You can't really miss it out. It will be a life transformation journey starting. That is what I can commit to you. The only step you have to take, the only requirement you have is to go and register yourself. Register कहाँ करना है? I have already shared across the link. You have to simply visit wavestrategy.com/webinar. In fact, abhi just some time back, I was working on the presentation. I was working on the charts that I'm going to show it across. Directly option chart लिया है मैंने. Option chart के ऊपर कैसे हम trade ले सकते हैं, whether if you want to buy a call or sell a call, या buy a put and sell a put. So कैसे करना है वो? तो यहाँ पर जाना है. This is the page. Go register yourself here. Just put in the detail. You will receive an invite on the Zoom platform and you can join via that platform. You can share it across with your friends, your family members, make them learn. So Mera aim and mission is that every one of you should be able to learn from the markets, learn from the techniques I know, and make money from the markets. Okay, बहुत ही जरूरी है. और ये हिंदी और इंग्लिश मिक्स होगा, तो do not worry about it कि मुझे इंग्लिश आती नहीं है या हिंदी आती नहीं है. So it's going to be a mixture of both. Secondly, it's from 11 AM to 1 PM. Next, it's tomorrow on a Sunday, which is free for you all. So you have to ensure to attend this session. In fact, I was discussing a lot of things with my mentees in the morning, and wow, those were so simple techniques of how to place a stop loss is what we discussed, and it was amazing. So I thought, why not to share some more insight into looking at different aspect of something like वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल, कैसे वॉल्यूम को एनालाइज किया जाना चाहिए और कैसे मार्केट को देखना चाहिए वॉल्यूम के साथ, अलॉन्ग विथ कैंडलस्टिक, अलॉन्ग विथ एलियट वेव को सिंपल भाषा में समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. वेरी इजी for everyone. ऐसा नहीं है, you don't require any prior knowledge, no software is required. Many people think that you have to go and have some software. नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. You just have to come with an open mind and you will be loving it. Now, why me? So I am a CMT. I did my engineering and I did my CMT actually in 2008. I worked with, in 1 year, I cleared all the 3 levels. I worked with Lehman Brothers, which went bankrupt in 2008. That was an eye opener for me कि यार मार्केट में कुछ भी हो सकता है, कितनी भी उठापटक हो सकती है, कहीं भी जा सकता है, स्टॉक जीरो भी हो सकता है. लीमन ब्रदर्स का स्टॉक जीरो हो गया था. सो आई नो व्हाट इज पॉसिबल. सो देन आई स्टार्टेड माय ओन फर्म wavestrategy.com and Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul, which is a learning series by Wave Strategy. So that is all we are doing in spreading awareness, because I know the pain. यार पैसा लॉस होता है, नुकसान होता है, तो पता नहीं चलता क्या करे, किसको पूछे, कौन सी टेक्निक यूज करे. And the problem is there are thousands of it, and everyone is talking and claiming about, that they are technical analysts. But ask them, are they a CMT? Do they have that necessary qualification? We are SEBI registered research analysts. I come on CNBC Awaaz. I have won consecutive so many times on the CNBC Awaaz game shows. Last week big game show tha, I made 15% return in 1 week. So I have been featured on CNBC TV 18. I have authored a book, Effective Trading in Financial Markets Using Technical Analysis. So the point I'm trying to make here is that I have done it, right? And I have all the credentials to show in front of you. और कल आके 2 घंटे में आप खुद देखो that it's going to be such a huge transformation. मतलब वही चार्ट को इतने अलग नजरिए से हम देखेंगे. We will look at it in a very different way that you never ever thought possible. We are going to see that in a very, very different way. So just karna kya hai? You have to go to the link wavestrategy.com/webinar, register yourself for this event and see the transformation. It's my commitment from Monday. The trade that you are going to take is exceptionally different than the ones that you have taken so far. Even if you are an expert trader, you want to increase your accuracy, have something more to your market analysis, you should join. If you are a fresher, just a student or a housewife, want to quit a job and do it full time, you should attend. So these 2 hours are for you, and I'm conducting it not for myself. I'm doing it for you all so that you know the power of the techniques that we are going to discuss. Because something so phenomenal, if you know yourself, you want to share it across, and I am sharing it across. It's only the point that whether you are ready to receive it or not, by taking that first step forward, registering yourself, you will take that step forward. Along with that, you will also be getting some bonus videos free. So take that step forward, claim that bonus videos. There is nothing to lose. You just have to give your time in this exclusive free webinar on Sunday, 7th of August, 11 a.m. We are going to start, which is tomorrow, and you will be amazed. Ashish Kyal signing off. See you tomorrow and have a wonderful time. Have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy the Saturday evening, but ensure that you do not miss out the Sunday morning fun, which is going to be amazing. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.